BREADFRUIT. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the Tom Cruise, a very simple and easy dance in Jamaica. All you have to do is look. Take one. Let's see if I get it correct. Here we go. So we're gonna bounce. Just about. You are to do Ray-Bans, which is you put on your shades and then you extra and a up, extra and a up. So one more time, we're gonna take it from the top. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, double tap and a pump. Ta-na-na-na-na-na, ta-na-na-na-na-na, ta-na-na-na style, and a swerve, style, and a Tom Cruise, Tom Cruise, spy, spy, spy. So put on your glasses, Ray-Bans. Put on your Ray-Bans. Night vision. Put on your Ray-Bans. To the side, put on your Ray-Bans. Put on your Ray-Bans, then you can go back to the base. So that was the Tom Cruise. Next one we're gonna do, we are gonna do the rope. So for the rope, how I do it, I put my left foot forward, bam, up to the sky. We're gonna be a cowboy today. Raise the right hand in the air, and you're gonna spin that rope like a cowboy, throwing out. Probably you're used to horses and stuff like that, but we're used to goat and cow. So we're gonna catch goat and cows. So you're gonna swing, throw, and you're gonna pull in that cow or that goat. And then we're gonna add our own little twist and make it a little bit more exciting and fun. So we're gonna jump into it. So we're gonna go left foot forward, right at the back, something like a 90 degrees angle. Mosquito eat me. See, this guy is a sacrifice I have to do for YouTube. So, but to teach you as well. So we're gonna go swing and pull, swing and pull, swing and pull, swing and pull, swing, 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 swing. Then another part in the song will require you to be a little more creative with your dance steps. So we're gonna do a little cowboy, a little cowboy, a little cowboy, a little western, and a western. And then another part will require you to add a little bit more flair. So we're gonna go dip and a scoop, dip and a dip and a scoop. And also, if you're a little bit more funny and like to express yourself a little bit more, I always do this, and pull it in, throw out the rope, bring in the cow, throw out the rope, bring in the goat. That's funny. Throw out the rope, bring in the goat. So we're gonna put it all together, and this will be the rope. So left foot forward, right foot at the back, 90 degrees, and we're gonna catch the goat and the cows. Let's go. And kill some mosquitoes too. Swing and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do the western. We in the western. Do the western. Do the western. And then we're gonna and dip, and dip, and dip, and dip, and dip. Hey, and the swap and dip. All right, good, good. So that's the rope. Next one we're gonna do is we're gonna do the fling. So this is probably the biggest dance move of the last 10 years. That's a decade. So I'm gonna teach you. I'll do it to the side so you can see better angle. So the first thing you need to get is a footstep. So we're gonna go right out forward, lift your left up, put your left down, put the right up, put it back. So this is the step. Right, left down, left up. There you go. Get it. There you go. It's a fling. Right foot forward, left foot up, left foot down, right foot back, Each time you go one forward, pop your shoulder, bam, bam. So that's it now. In the song, you have to do a little bit more. As you know, Jamaicans, we're all extra. So we're gonna get a little extra. And while we get extra, we add our own little flair to it. So after you finish throwing out your shoulder blade, we're gonna go to the left and then to the right and get back and add a little bit more. So we're gonna chop, palm, 2, 3, 4, and pop, 2, 3, 4. Palm, 2, 3, 4, and pop, 2, 3, 4 to the front, and you work it. One more time. Extra, extra. Man, shoulder here. Or however you want to throw out your shoulder blade. However you want to throw it out. Throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it. So that's a fling. Next one we have to do is called the flare. And so because this dance move is extra, I'm gonna pull out my little piggy hat. You know, I'm a pig today. Yes, oink oink is in season. And so I'm gonna do this one with my piggy on. So with the flare, what you have to do, you put your arms up like this, and we're gonna do forward to your right, forward to the left, forward to the right, another forward to the left. So it's a travel. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So that's what? For verse 12 or something, I don't know, 16, somewhere along the line, that's it. 4 there, 4 there, 4 there, 4 there, 16. Yeah, 16 count. So after you finish traveling to the left and to the right 2 times, then the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna meet back in the middle, and you're gonna put out a little more energy for this part. You're gonna pull the arms up, and you're gonna do a double and travel. You're gonna do 1, 2, travel, swing, travel, go again, and you travel, and you swing again, and then you travel. Nice. So after you do the traveling, right there, next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna get very angry for this part. So you're gonna go down, you're gonna go punch, 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 punch. 1 and a 2. Pum, pum, pum. Get angry. Get angry. Alright, so after you get angry, take all your frustration out. You're a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more in touch with the elements. You can breathe and relax. Then you're going to do the next part of the dance. So you're going to walk around if you fancy. Walk around if you fancy, however you think fancy is. You walk around, and then you're going to do a little kick. So you're going to take your arms up from one side and bring it over to the next side. So if you're starting on your left like me, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you do the opposite. 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 So now I'm gonna do everything in one go, and you will get to see how it's done. Here we go. So arms up, flare it, 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 flare it. Get angry. Hey, hey, swing, energy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. And then they walk around like you both see. 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 Then you kick. 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 Hey, and a kick. Alright, so that was hilarious. Thank you. Whew. And now, we did the flurry, we did a lot of stuff. It's time to do the gas. And how the gas is done, all you have to do is stay in the spot that you're in for the most part, and then you do whatever. So here we go. Do the gas. You're gonna bring your right foot forward and you're gonna swing in with both arms. Left foot forward, swing to the front with both arms. Ready? So we're gonna go gas, 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 gas them, gas them, gas, 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 gas. Then it's gonna say go on with the road. It's gonna require you to run up and down. So go on with the road, 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 go on with the road. So that's it, pretty much. Gas for like, you know, a gas cylinder. We're pretty crazy. We have a dance for every single thing. Go, 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 go. We have a call on the rain. Call on the rain, 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 call on the rain. We have the signal plane, signal plane, signal plane, signal plane. We have the parachute, parachute, para, 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 para. We have a lot of things. Dance move for everything. But another one that I love so much. So how you do the breadfruit, this dance, it's a little side and a little swing with a little step. So, and it's called the breadfruit, like the actual fruit that we eat. As I said, in Jamaica we're very creative and we have a lot of dance moves named after a lot of things we eat, drink, everything, you know. That's the Jamaican in us. So I'm gonna do it to this side so you get to see what it is I'm doing. So I love to lead off with my left foot and my right behind me. So I step with my left, follow up with the right, and the arms follow in. One movement, one sequence. So we're gonna go breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Catchy dance with him called breadfruit, breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Breadfruit, breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Bread, bread. Alright. So we're gonna do it with a little bit more energy later on. And there's a next part in the song that's called roast and fry. So the roast and fry, lift up. You're right and you swing. Roast and fry, roast and fry, roast. We're gonna do the roast and fry, 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 roast and fry. Breadfruit. Hey, catchy dance. Catchy dance. Catchy dance. Alright, so that was the roast and fry. Breadfruit dance. Woo! I'll see you on the next side. Oink oink.